Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Angelica Square. I know it's been a while since I last spoke in a video, but you know me, I'm not gonna give up in my channel. I'm gonna keep working forward to becoming an independent and successful artist. And I know that you will be part of my successful journey because you are gonna give me that support and help that I need to keep pushing forward, because I know all you fans are a great part of my life, and I thank you so much for it. So it's been a while, right? I haven't spoken in a video, but I'll keep pushing forward. Now, a bit of this video. Here I am working on a 1-point perspective view. Here I am working on a 1-point perspective view. This is for my class called Perspective at Academy of Art University. If you want to really get pushed hard, that's the college that you need, especially for all those young artists that are still in high school. I really advise you to try on this college because I wish I knew it existed. It was quite the challenge working on the buildings in the background because there were so many windows to deal with in a 1-point perspective view, and it has to follow the correct line. It has to follow the line to meet in the center. And if you want to know what grade I had, well, I got a B-, because it's not easy. They're gonna push you really hard in this college. Doesn't matter if your work is the best of the class, you need to follow all the parameters that are given in the project. And even though Professor did said I did a really good job and that he's looking forward to keep looking at my future projects, which next week I'm gonna be working on a 2-point perspective view. Well, actually this week. It's just that this project was due last week, so I'll finish it. And right now, I know I'm late in doing the voiceover, but I'm doing it for you. Now, this following week, I'm gonna be doing a 2-point perspective project. I don't know yet what I'm gonna be doing, but I hope I'll have the time to record it and share it with you. Working on the handles of drawers of the desk, it was quite a challenge because I didn't know. I mean, for it to be the right proportion and following the perspective line was quite a challenge, because this is something that even though I have done a bit, I haven't done it correctly, and it was quite challenging, but I think I managed quite well. My professor did not comment any negative on it, and I'm quite happy about it. Now, okay, so enough of talking for now. Let's do what I used to always do, and that's the quote of the day. And today I was searching a lot, and I was looking for quotes by Albert Einstein and Gandhi, but this time I was like, you know what? Let me get a quote from someone of this era, and I chose Mark Zuckerberg. And he said, if you just work on stuff that you like and you're passionate about, you don't have to have a master plan with how things will play out. So what does that leave you in your mind? To me, I'm happy that I'm doing what I like. Here I'm doing double checking everything, and I'm sorry that I didn't finish recording all the way to the end. It was very challenging doing this video, but this is the outcome of my project. And professor commented a bit of negative in the drawers of the desk that's behind the bed. He didn't like the proportions, and I don't like them either, but I was running out of time and I needed to really, because that windows in the background really took me a long time, so I didn't have time to fix the proportions of those drawers and the legs of the chairs. You can't even see how sloppy it looks, but I was rushing so much I couldn't finish it, or else I actually needed to do other projects, because I'm taking 2 classes this semester in the Academy of Art University. So thank you so much for watching my video. This is Angelica Square, and ciao. To get more insights in Angelica Square, please check our social medias. Thank you so much for watching our video. Hit that like button. Please do us a favor, share this video and subscribe. Dream big, and till the next one.